Alrighty, let's see how live this is. Oh boy, is my mic loud? I can't really tell. Well, I hope it's not too loud. I don't know. Maybe I'll turn it down a little bit. How is it like? Is that better? I don't know. Okay, hopefully it's better. So I was looking at this, and this looks like a fun thing to do to me. All right. I don't know. I was just thinking like this looks cool, right? So yeah, I figured I'd stream it and like work on something. I don't know. Something to do, I guess. I also like I'd be joining this late. So I'm not even 100% sure that I would be able to join. Oh, I still can, yeah. I would have 9 days and 21 hours pretty much, which isn't bad. But I probably would forget about this project in a day, so it'd be like a more of a one day thing, I think. All right, cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open Unity, and hopefully it doesn't boot me. But also I'm not really sure if I want to use Unity for this. I'm like kind of tempted to branch out a little bit and try something else. Like I don't know, I could do like Python or JavaScript. I hear those are pretty good too for making games. And this one, since it's supposed to be like 64 by 64, which is like absurdly small, I feel like that might be best, but I'm not really sure yet. 10 themes are optional. Limitation of the ones used, if any, if you wish. Okay, so we should probably use one of these. Alright. Let's see what we got. Invasion's a pretty easy one, but I think there's going to be a lot of those. Catch 'em all? Oh. Well, I think I know what that implies. Okay, so they have a lot of good examples too, which I think are good to look at. Thing is, when it's so small like that, it is kind of hard to figure something out because you really can't have it be too big. This kind of looks like Doom. Oh, this one looks fun. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm getting a little off topic, but yeah, I'm just trying to think of like what exactly I'm thinking of. What does recursive mean? I'm actually gonna look that up. That sounds interesting. Relating to or involving the repeated application of a rule, definition, or procedure to successive results. Oh, okay, like this. Okay, no, I think kind of like okay, that actually sounds really interesting though. Yeah, I don't know. The whole like first part of this is gonna be trying to figure out what exactly I want to do. Just 'cause I don't want to like leap into it and just start coding something. Unfortunately, I'm not quite good enough to just start without thinking, but I can yeah, I can try to figure it out here. You can scale the win. Okay, I should look through this first. Themes in unrated category. Okay. You can work with the team. Oh my gosh. Anyone want to work with me? Can I submit more than one game? Yep. That's cool, actually. What language or tools can I use? Absolutely anything. Ooh. Are there restrictions to sound or music? Nope. What existing assets can I use? Well, it's encouraged to create original assets for your game. You're welcome to use any assets you have the legal right to use. Furthermore, it's always good to credit sources even if you don't have to. Yeah. I would make all new assets probably. This is actually huge. Oh. Whoops. This right here is huge. Low-key. Just because then I don't have to like work in 64 by 64 in Unity, that'd be nice. But I'm still not 100% sure if I want to work in that or not. But we'll see. Can I go lower? So previous. Yes. I can't imagine. I can't imagine going lower than 64, 64. Alright. Can I make one dimension larger than 64 if I shrink the other dimension? No. Okay. Gotcha. Yes, as long as they're just controls. Okay. That's also interesting, but I wouldn't probably make a game for mobile. Ooh, that's actually really interesting. Okay. It doesn't really apply to me. Let's see what we got. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, so I'm just trying to read through this all. Can I use screen effects like CRT or scan lines and make see the actual 64 by 64? Yeah, itself is 64. Okay, yeah. Alright, cool. Okay, yeah. So we're all good. I'm not gonna like submit a game I already made. Alright, cool. Now that I've read through the rules, let's think of something to do here. Creation story. That could be interesting. I like the idea of recursive, but I just like can't like think of a good way to implement that. So I don't know. That's definitely on my mind there. Um, I don't know. I'm trying to look at these for some inspiration, but I'm not really sure. I think a lot of these are like inspired by other games, which I don't blame them. Um, yeah, thing is art in 64 by 64 is kind of tough. Well, this person made it work. Well, yeah, no, they did the same thing. But fortunately, I can't do art any bigger than 64 by 64 anyways, so it actually doesn't really apply to me. This is really cool, I think. That was a cool death animation. Alright, yeah. I also like the idea of like something like that too. I don't know. I'm still like pretty indecisive. Recursive. I'm trying to like think of because I like the picture that looked interesting, but I don't know how I'd like implement that into a game at all or anything. I guess I don't need to use any of these either, but I don't know. I think it'd be nice to. All right, glitch in the matrix. That could be cool too, I guess. I don't really know how I'd implement that either, but all right. Let's see what we got. I might I don't know. We'll see. Hmm. All right. I'm trying to trying to think of like a good like small project to do. I know I've been thinking about it for like way too long now, but You know, let's do a random word generator and go from there. Oops. Alright. Here we go. This is definitely the best way to do it. Oh boy, there's an ad. Alright, we're good. Generate random words. Give me 2 words. This also make for a good video. Making a game on a... Okay, let's get some new ones. Alright. Example, rush. I don't really know about example. Hospitality ward. Those kind of relate, don't they? Alright, let's see. Hospitality ward. I got like a hospital game. I think those exist, don't they? That might be tough. I know I'm not supposed to re-roll it 1,000 times. Okay, let's do it again. Temperature battlefield. Alright, I like that idea. Let's work with that. That's what we're working with. Temperature battlefield. Okay. Oh boy, a lot of interpretations that I can make with that, but let's go with I don't know, maybe that means like flamethrowers. I don't know. New. Alright, I'm making the project in Unity right now, so 2D, because I don't think I can make 3D that small. Let's see, what do I want to call it? Call it Game. Oh my gosh. Game Jam 6464 is what I'm calling it. My PC might lag for a second here while it's loading, but yeah. I'm actually not too upset about that idea. But I'm trying to think of how I'd even do that, cause I don't know. It's so small. I guess like you can use probably like I'm trying to think. Can you do a 4x4 character? Cause it would take up 16 of your 64 pixels. Yeah, this isn't gonna be easy, but it should be fun. And I'm not trying to make a huge project because I know I can't fully do that, and yeah. All right. Gotta go back over to this for that screen. Yeah, it's taking a second to open because I'm streaming, but there it goes. Okay, it's open. I can stream the screen now. Yeah, I don't know what that is. That's not the one I wanted. Alright. Oh, that's not working. There it is. Alright, there we go. Cool. I can make this a little bit bigger too. There we go. Nice. Alright. Alright, I have to find the resolution now. It might just be like a camera thing that I have to change. But you know, I want to look for it first. I've never messed with the resolution too much. Project settings. Graphics. Guess the first thing it comes to. I probably passed it already. Let's see what we got. I don't know if I want to open that. Let's see. Tier 3, Tier 2, Tier 1. I don't really know. don't really know what all that means. Editor? Okay, well, I mean, let's go in here, I guess. Is there like a... Can I look up? Ah, resolution, downsize. Oh, wait. Resolution overlay? Okay. Default is native resolution. No. There we go. Okay, there it is. Alright. There we go. Full screen mode. It probably shouldn't be. Maximize window. Windowed is probably the best way to do this. If I had to guess. Alright. Now I need to make sure that, like, this is a square. Well, when I move this, that's okay. Let's just. Actually, I can keep it. Let's just go back. 5 is fine. That's not really what I wanted. Perspective? What is oh my gosh. I don't like that, actually. I've messed with these before a little bit, but... Oh my gosh, okay. I'm assuming it's something like this. What does 1 do? Uh-oh. It doesn't like that. Oh. Okay, it did, yeah. Can I? No? Okay. Maybe I just have to work in a square? I'm not really sure. I do want to make this work properly, though. Let's see what we got. Scale. Nope, that didn't change anything. Oh well, maybe I don't have to mess with that. Although it definitely looks like I do have to. Oh, okay, I don't really know what that did. Oh boy. Okay, let's see what we got. Um, I mean, none of this looks like it's gonna help me much. Oh well, we can just work around that, I suppose. Well, that's like, I almost want to like build and run it, even though it's not gonna do anything. So let me make sure I shrink this since I just, there it goes. Okay. Let me. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's just work with this. Okay. Let's see. We got temperature and battlefield. Oh boy. Okay. I'm thinking like a flamethrower, but I don't know. All right, there we go. Nice. Okay. Well, that solved all of my issues. I can't believe I didn't think of that. All right, here we go. Okay, so I need a little guy. I'm thinking, is it gonna be like the first person, like the Doom? I don't know. I'm thinking if it's like a flamethrower, it might want to be like this one here. So that's my thought on like temperature battlefield. I guess it could be like it could be like this type of movement or this type of movement, but like a flame trail maybe. I don't know. That's a pretty common thing. I feel like that wouldn't be a bad thing to implement. Let's see. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm trying to think. Um, because there needs to be some gameplay too. I can't just have like a system. All right, let's see. I might. I should probably start by making like some asset of some sort. I'm thinking that the all right, here we go. What can it be like 16 by 16 for a player? No, that'd be way too many of your squares. That'd have to be like 8 by 8, I think. Well, I'm trying to think of how this even is gonna look, but it could be like top down, I guess, like a swarm game. Yeah, I guess I could do that. 8 by 8 is tough. Okay. Oh boy. All right, let me stream this screen. Um, Oops, that's not what I want. Oh boy. I don't know what's going on. There it is. Okay. There we go. All right. So this is what I'm working with. So definitely not great. Not great. But if it's gonna be top down, it wouldn't be. I guess it wouldn't be like horrible if it was like this big. But I don't even know what colors that at. Here, let's get some examples. All right. Oh wow. Okay. These are obviously a lot better than mine. Like this isn't too bad. Like I could do something like that, I suppose. Um, it could also be like a plane game. I'm kind of considering that, like making it like a plane. You fly around and have little things to do. I don't know. That might be too ambitious. I don't know. And it's 64, 64. I don't know. It's hard to say. Um, yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I'd be able to do that. Plus, it'd be like a lot of art to do. It'd be cool though. Um, I'll have a viewer apparently. What was I thinking? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what the best. Maybe I should get new words. Maybe that's what I need. Root transparent. That sounds like something interesting. Maybe I ought to just do one because the two is, maybe it's the two that's confusing me here. Not 12. Oh boy. Embarrassment. Okay. Motif. I don't even know what that means, to be honest. Module. Oh boy. Fisherman. Oh my gosh, I love that. That makes my life a lot easier. Alright, time to make a little blue hat. Alright. Oh boy. I guess this is where I'm going with this. It's too big. Oh boy. I'm seeing where the problems might be with this. I also need to make a fishing pole. Maybe I had to make this bigger. Let's make this, we can dedicate some space. Let's do 1616. I do want to do the math on that though. We should actually look that up. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Alright, here we go. 256. Oh wait, no, that wouldn't work. Whoops. Alright. Oh, I have a lot of squares to work with. We're okay. We're okay. That actually shouldn't be too bad. It's like a 20th. No. I don't even know what I'm saying. Okay, let's yeah. Let's do this. I thought I had a lot less squares to work with. That's 4 in. I don't know if I necessarily want them centered though. Actually, I take it back. Let's go like off to the left. That's a nice little hat right there, I think. And he can be like yellow. I think that's, well, yeah, actually, let's see. I can make him like an alien too. I don't know. Any color really works for. Let's do pink. It doesn't look horrible. Okay. He might look a little silly, but it's okay. He's a fisherman. I don't know. I feel like this looks really weird, but what can I do? Maybe I need like a. Okay, I picked the wrong color. There we go. Okay. Wow, that's just lovely. Alright. Now I need to make him a little body. I'm going to make him in a suit. Because he wears suits when he fishes. This is not going to turn out very good, I don't think. But you know what? That's okay. He needs feet still. I don't know why I made it so big. There we go. Okay. And then he's going to have. Actually, no, that doesn't go out far enough for him to have arms. Oh, no. Okay. I got to think about this. I'm trying to think. If it's like. If it's more top down, I could probably change this up, actually. Yeah, let's erase this. I might go get some inspiration. I'm sure that's somewhere. Okay, I guess that isn't really a fisherman. This is, wow. He caught a big fish. Here we go. This is what I was kind of thinking of, but I don't know if I'm capable of making that. Which is why I was thinking, like, maybe like an angle, but yeah, something like this, with the hat, little guy. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I ought to just make like the boat and everything, like, I can probably take out more squares too. I don't have to. I thought I had no squares, but I can actually probably go like. Okay, 32 by 32 would be half the screen. Oh wait, I just realized I can just do math. This is a quarter then. A quarter of this. So that would take out. Oh my gosh, is that right? Okay. Oh boy. Okay. Maybe I had to count pixels. But then again, it wouldn't like the whole thing. I don't. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. I want to make it like the back of him. So let's just make it. I mean. Okay. All right. Let's take some inspiration here. He's got the straw hat. Love that. Love that. Um. Okay. I don't know how to make a straw hat. Is that like this color? I'm sure this color will do fine. And then he's like got like a little. He's got like the little swirl on the back. You see? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? All right. And it's like that part's a darker color than that part though. So we're gonna darken that, I think. Lovely. Okay. Now we can go back to this and we can make it the full circle. I actually don't know where I'm going with this, but it's okay. We'll figure it out. Kind of looks like a wheel of like a pirate ship or something. You know what I mean? Maybe. I don't know. All right, here we go. That kind of looks like a hat in a way, in a sense. Maybe. Oh gosh, what am I doing? Okay, well, let's start over. I'm not really sure how to make a hat, I'm realizing. I should probably check chat too, but okay, yeah. We're all good. Let's see. Okay, it's not really the top down that I was looking for. It might be kind of hard to do top down because it's like a perspective, and in 2D art, that's not the easiest thing to do. Maybe I should do something like this, like I don't know, like a little guy right here, and then he's got a little red shirt on. You know what I mean? He's having a good time. He got some nice arms going. Wow, what a nice arm. Oh my gosh. Okay, no. Oh no, what did I do? Um, Maybe I oughta, here, if I do like this. No. Maybe like this. No. This isn't the easiest thing I've ever done, to be honest. We could like make his arms go out. Could do like a this and then okay, and then like a fishing pole, if you know what I mean. What color is a fishing pole? Let's darken this first though. Fishing poles are like brown, I think. Not like a dark brown, but like a brown. Like this would work, I think. Okay, maybe it'd work if if I move this over a little bit. Let's just do that. Let's move. Let's get my grab tool. Oh boy. Can I still? Oh wait, whoops. There we go. That is just perfect right there. I love that. Alright, here we go. Oh, not brush. There we go. Okay. Okay, maybe... maybe I got a little ambitious with this one. Let's move it over again, I guess. I can move it one more square. And maybe I should move it down. Alright. Yeah, okay. We can do like... Now we just have to like, add like the little thing, you know? The line. I do feel like I'm doing this just really bad, but that's okay, I guess. And then at the end there's like the little bobber and it's red, you know? You know what I mean? Oh gosh. This is yeah, this isn't great. This isn't my best work, I would say, but you know what? You can't win them all, right? It's a slightly different shade of white somehow. It's, you know what? It's fine. I love this. This is great. Let's just go ahead and save this, because this is really something right here. This is, oh boy. Okay. I just remember that I can scale things, and I could have made that as many pixels as I wanted, but that's okay. It is what it is. It's not a big deal. Especially because it seems to think that. Okay. You know, I don't know how great this is, but okay, maybe like 17 by 17. Okay. Well, I guess in theory this should be what, 8 by 8, but whatever, it doesn't matter. All right. It didn't really load in very well. You know what? Actually, I think it loaded in better than it should have. It actually looks... It's blurry, but it looks better than it... Here, I should stream this screen. Whoops. Here we go. Look at that. It turned out better than I thought it would, so you know what? I think that's lovely. I think this is great right here. And then I just need this doesn't even look like a fishing pole. Oh boy, where did I go wrong? It's fine. Okay. This is great. I'm really liking this. I think this is gonna look just fabulous. I think if we move them a little bit, you know, a little bit closer to the corner. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Now we just need to make a nice little landscape here. And this one can be 64 by 64. Or even more than that, now that I realize. But, you know. Yeah, let's just go 128 by 128 because I can just scale stuff down. They said that was allowed in the rules. Okay. Actually, I don't know if I wanted to do that, but it's fine. Alright, here we go. Now this is quite the canvas I have. Oh, that's not really... Oh, actually, this looks really quite strikingly similar, I would say. Alright, so I want a little sun in the corner. That seems to be a staple of sorts. or something like that. I don't really know. Um, yeah, let's do that. Let's get a good old spray paint tool. Let's get some yellow, like a nice like sun yellow. You know, that's a nice sun yellow right there. Oh yeah. Okay. Here we go. Pixel size. I think it needs to be pretty big. This is a pretty big. Oh, never mind. That is bigger than I thought it was, I guess. There we go. What a beautiful sun. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and get my whites. I'm gonna make a big cloud. Um, I should probably be streaming this too. I kind of forgot. You know, that's actually not the worst cloud I've ever made. Yeah, let me switch screens again. Look at that. Look at that cloud. Okay, I need to fill in a little bit there, but you know, that's pretty good. Alright, now we need some good blue sky. Okay. I guess more than one cloud is okay. Where am I going? Here we go. Okay. More than one cloud. We don't need more. Do we need more than one cloud? Is that? I mean, this is how I made it. It's actually not not as cool as you might have expected. All right. Okay, that cloud looks a little weird. It's just there we go. Okay, that actually, what am I doing? Okay. Oh my gosh. There we go. That looks lovely. An awful lot of clouds on this side, and you know it's you know what, that happens. That'll happen. You know, it's not. That's not an issue. I don't think. Right. All right, and then I just need some vast ocean here. Very vast. Also, how did they do it? Oh, they let you like see below the water. That's actually kind of cool. I actually kind of like that a little bit. Yeah, let's do that. I'm kind of copying this picture bar for bar right now, but that's all right. I'll credit it. I'll make sure to. All right, here we go. Okay, I can probably just fill the rest. Alright, here we go. Boom. Oh, it's alright. I can go over those spots. It's still faster. Awesome. Look at that nice water right there. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, he's gonna be floating on a cloud. I think that is my absolute best decision right now, is to make him float on a cloud. I think that's really what this game needs. Look at that. What a nice cloud. Um I think that's lovely. I think he's gonna float really quite nicely on that. Well, actually, no. I don't know if he will. Um, he's gonna be okay. You know, let's actually scratch that. I think maybe he can float on. He can float on like this cloud. That's lovely. Look at that. Okay. And then the fish sprites would be separate. I also need to make a sky, I guess. Oh, that's kind of scary. Oh, I see what this person did. Okay. Well, do we really need a sky though? That's kind of the question, isn't it? Alright, I might make like some green in the background. Oh wait, oh no, I made the cloud on this layer. Okay, well I'm gonna have to go back on that. Okay, let's make some green. I'm thinking we make some green and we put a nice layer of green on here. To probably something like this, huh? Alright. Nice. I like that. That is just lovely. What did they do? Some trees in the background? I don't know that I'm capable of that, so we're just gonna have that be there. And then we're gonna need some light and dark, and we're just gonna... Yeah, I could probably do some straighter lines, huh? Okay, I definitely don't want to darken it. Okay, that looks like water, right? I think, maybe. Alright, now we can put a little cloud. Or like maybe I could actually do a boat. I like a cloud though, I like the idea of him floating on a cloud. Alright, let's get some white. Alright, he's just gonna be floating on there then. Cool, actually, oh wait, I need a sky still. Whoops. This is sky lighter. Oh boy, I don't know if I can go any lighter. We're gonna have a nice dark sky. Oh wait. Oh wait, no, it's fine. I can just fill. Oh my gosh, that actually doesn't look horrible. It doesn't look great, but it doesn't look horrible. I don't mind that. Alright, let's save it. Oh gosh, okay. Oh wait, what does this have to be? 64, so be... No, I'll figure it out. Okay, here we go. 8 by 8 seems to be okay. Right, that doesn't seem horrible. Okay. We can go over to this guy. We can shrink. We can shrink him so he fits on his little cloud nicely here. Look at that. He kind of looks like he's a part of the cloud, but you know what? Why don't I stream this, actually? Okay. Let's go over to my... There it is. Okay, look at that. Oh my gosh. That is just... He kind of looks like a minotaur, you know what I'm saying? But like with a cloud body instead of like a... whatever a minotaur is, you know what I'm saying? Oh, that might be... I might have just referenced that into everyone. What's happening here? Not really much right now, I guess. Trying to make a game for this game jam, but it's gonna be a fishing game, I guess. And I used a random word generator to come up with that, so things have gotten crazy. But yeah, I mean, I'm hoping it's a good game. I'm hoping it turns out okay. But yeah, 64-bit by 64-bit, so it's like pretty small, which is probably the biggest constraint. Like this is what it would look like. But yeah, so next up I'm gonna make some fish, some different fish that you can get, and then maybe I'll make like an upgrade menu. I'm kind of thinking about that. right now, like a little fishing sort of thing. I don't know. All right, so the fish are, yeah, I'll just, you know what? The fish can be pretty big. 'Cause they can be scaled. That's one of the rules. All right. Let's see. How do I make a fish? You know, I'm gonna do the classic drawing of a fish here. Yeah, I take it back. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at art. Up. Wow. Okay. Maybe I had to just wing it, you know? Go for something. Fish kind of looks like this. It has a bit of a tail. Okay, that doesn't look great, you know, but it looks better. Let's fill this in and I'll do a little bit of shading. Some different blues here. Make it look a little cool. I don't know. Hopefully. Hopefully it turns out looking good. That's not really what I was hoping for. Let's see what we got. Pencil. That tail does look really weird, I just realized. It's fine. It'll be okay, right? Hopefully. Okay. Okay, well it needs eyes. Of course, fish have eyes, I think. Yeah, no, they definitely do. I don't know what I'm saying. Let's give them some purple. Some like... Oh wait, fish have scales. Let's get a reference. Mine looks strikingly similar to this. Okay. I was thinking pixel. Because I need, that's kind of what I'm working with. Okay. Okay, I mean, I think I get that. Some gills, I think. Yeah, it looks like gills are pretty typical. Boy, okay. So, like a darker, I think it's a line like that. Yeah, no, that's not horrible. I don't think that's terrible, at least. Hopefully. Maybe. And then I think they have scales, but I don't know if I really wanna try and do that. I feel like I'm gonna mess it up. So I'm just gonna make like little lines. Oh, it has the same color as his eye, so it doesn't look great. Let's do like this. And then let's even get some of this going. Oh, wow. This is a very nice looking fish. I love this. Okay. There we go. Let's get another purple in here. Oh boy, I went off the fish. Okay, wow. Wow. What a gorgeous looking fish, huh? Oh, I could actually probably like fill in with the colors too, now that I think about it. Okay, I use that for which one did I use? This one? Oh my gosh. Nope. Although that does look kinda cool. Yeah, I can just do like the eyeball like. Oh, whoops. I actually don't mind that too much. Let's go green. Like a green for this bit. And a purple for this bit. And then yeah, actually like that doesn't look horrible. Not as bad as I thought. Maybe like that. Okay, okay, wait, this is okay actually. A little eyeball right there. I actually kinda like that. I mean the tail looks weird, but I don't mind that. Alright, here we go. Yeah, maybe I should just let's just fix the tail up a little bit. Kind of make it a little more built. I think it needs to go higher on this side too. I don't know, I think I'm making it look worse, but oh well, that'll be okay for now. I'll settle for that as a fish. That looks something like a fish. So I think it'll capture what I'm going for. I'll import that as an asset. Let's just see how it looks. Oh, I forgot that the water is like. Oh no! Here, let's scale it up and just see. Because the water in it might be really similar colors. It might be kind of hard to see. I just realized that. Okay, let's actually. I'll keep it in my assets, but let's switch the colors up a little bit. Do like a red. Right. Okay. I think that'll be a lot more visible. All right. Here we go. Oh, I just realized I'm not even streaming my other screen. Oh boy. Well, whoops. Yeah, so that's the fish that I was making the whole time here. This one, but it was really close to that color. Its tail doesn't look great. Here it is. Looking just wonderful. In the sky, floating. Wonder how that, okay, that looks lovely. Alright, let's shrink it back down. What am I looking for? About a 4 by, 2 bytes? No, that's too big. 1 by 1 is too small. Let's go. 1.5 should be. Yeah, there you go. Okay. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with the fish yet, but I like that, so. Alright, I don't even need it in there yet. I don't really know what I'm doing. Delete. Okay. Yeah, okay. Let's see what I got going on. Okay. I'm thinking maybe I do something with each fish. Like maybe a fish will go to like this point. I should probably track what that point is actually with like a debug or something. I could probably figure it out too. Yeah, I'll just make an empty game object and just get a pretty good estimate of where that is. Oh, or I could just boom. Alright, if a fish is right there. Yeah, it should probably flip, but that's for a later date. Let's see what we got. Negative. Okay, so that's probably where I'd like want a fish to go. And then you probably have to like some little mini game to catch it, and then you get some gold. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking right now. But yeah, I mean, let's just see. Let's just see. Eventually, maybe some flying fish. I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to get too big with this, but let's yeah, let's make a C# script. Let's just call it mechanics, because that's pretty broad. Alright, and then I don't know where I really want to start. Probably probably with catching a fish and then doing something, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know that I should really stream this whole thing, but we'll see. Let's go over to updates. Yikes. Alright, I need to instantiate the fish. When do I do that, though? I could do that in start, too. Just that it, like, starts with the fish. I'm not really sure. I'm probably gonna do, like, a random range, and then a timer, and if the timer is over whatever the random range was, then it'll spawn a fish. So like it randomly spawns a fish after a random amount of time. So, sorry, I'm getting distracted. All right, let's see what we got. Yeah, I guess let's just start with the timer. And a quick tip for anyone using Unity or like Visual Studio. The biggest thing that you don't want to do is name your timer, or like anything with like time in it, because then when you type, oh boy, can I stream? I wonder if I can stream my Visual Studio. But if you use like timer in your name or time at all in like the name of your floats for like a timer, then when you type it, it'll like correct to time.delta time, like every time. So, or time. Wait, what am I thinking? Oh yeah, time.delta time will correct to your float's name. So it like in Visual Studio at least. So, I don't know. That's my pro tip from someone who isn't really great at it, but yeah, I don't know how to stream Visual Studio. Let's see if I can do it with window capture. Oh, there it is. Okay, cool. I don't really need this to be public, but I also spelled public wrong. Okay. And I'll probably call this like. Alright, spawn delay. Actually, I don't want to do that here yet, do I? Alright, let's make a bool if there is a fish. I forget if I formatted that right. I haven't used random range in a while, but hopefully I did that right. We can just save and look for an error. Alright, so I think I did random wrong. Whoops, there we go. Probably capital, unless I spelled it actually wrong. Alright, range might be capitalized then. Random.range, is that it? Okay, I think I did it right now. That's a classic. Okay. I just realized that I'm dumb, and I could have just put those in the same thing. Oh wait, can I do that? Oh wait. I think I was dumb on one of these. I'm trying to think of what I was trying to do. Um, okay, so there isn't a fish. Okay, so then I would want this to go. Actually, am I really dumb? Because I feel like it doesn't really. I feel like a fish should just spawn every time. Maybe the random range shouldn't be for. Okay, Let's just get rid of this part for now. But yeah, no, that should be like for the type of fish, not the. Let's just redo this. Or yeah, I want to make sure I remember what the variables mean. That's always a big thing. I could do some notation, but I don't know. I tried not to. It's a really bad practice. Always use notation, but oh wait. Alright, we can save it like that, and then let's... Yeah, and then it'll give you like a type of fish. 1 through 5 isn't really great. I'm not really sure how many I want though. How many fish should there be? Probably like 15 for now. I mean, this is something I can change, but yeah, you know what? Yeah. 1 through, that means I need 15 fish. Okay. I think I should probably have thought about that. It's fine. You know what? It'll be fine. I'm sure there's some things I can do. Oh boy, there's a lot of stuff. What is this? What am I watching? Hello? Okay, I'm gonna go maybe if I'm like alone in my existence by. Oh, whoops, sorry, I missed the messages. Yeah, sorry, I'm like hard focused. Okay, I spelled flow wrong. Oh gosh. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I think my live streams get recommended more than I think they deserve to be recommended. Because I feel like a lot of people find them somehow. Just random people. And a lot of the stuff I do is not really like live stream material. So I don't know. But oh well. There we go. Okay. Spawn collect doesn't really need to exist anymore. Actually, now that I think about it. I'm doing it again. I just gotta put it in here. Oh, I just realized this might be harder than I thought. I don't know. I wonder if I can I instantiate like a fish and then a string, or is that this might I might need to reference the Unity API on this one. Okay. I'm trying to think. What can I do to make this a little bit easier? I'm sure like anybody with a little bit of experience in Unity is screaming behind the monitor at me right now because I'm probably just being dumb and not thinking of something. But okay. I guess I could like. here we go. Game object fish. Okay. And then instantiate. Okay. And then that's just gonna be a I'm not gonna mess with the rotation or anything, just because I don't really need to. And yeah, okay. I'm thinking like for now, it might be kind of hard to. Whoops. All right, what was I thinking? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it rolls a number. Whoops. Okay. What was I? I just lost my entire train of thought after yawning. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, I got an error. Oh wait, right. No, that makes sense. Whoops. Forgot to save it. There we go. Oh, I spelled instantiate wrong. I'm so dumb. Okay. It doesn't like that? Uh-oh. Alright, well I'm thinking maybe. I've had this issue before, I don't know, I always forget what I did for it though. Alright, here we go. Alright. Maybe it'll like that more. It didn't like that anymore. I guess that makes sense. It's like the exact same thing. What does it want me to do here? We can head on over to the good old Unity API. Unity. Oh. There we go. Unity API. Love this thing. Okay, here we go. Okay, so, I mean, I can just put a vector 3 in there, but for some reason I thought the transform dot position was a vector 3. I thought that held the same values. If not, that's fine. I don't even need to do that necessarily. That would just be like a convenience thing, but I can just get the actual point that like over here would be. So that they spawn in over here, you know? Yeah, here, why don't I actually, I'll just drag a fish in here and see where it looks good. Like right here, it can spawn in, I think. Where is that? Oh my goodness. Let's go 4.4, comma, negative 4.32. Okay, that might be a little specific. I want to keep it a little bit simple. We can just... what is it, like 4.4, and then, okay. I hope it likes that better. Uh-oh, it doesn't like that either. Expected. Uh-oh. Oh, whoops. Didn't make me a closing bracket. Double the float. That's right. There we go. Lovely. Oh, now it wants to transform? I'm really confused. Let me go check this out real quick. Oh, wait, did it want a rotation the first time? Oh, am I just... Oh... Okay. It's kind of, I'm kind of thinking like, I don't know. I feel like this should work. Um, I mean, it looks okay. Maybe I need the rotation. I've done this so many times, and yet I still mess it up every time. Let's see what we got. Quantum neon dot identity. Why is that in the API? Let's see what it does for me. Okay. Yeah, that's probably what I want to do then. Let me just double check. Okay. I wanted to make sure I had my caps right, and I didn't. Epic. What do we got going on? Alright, cool. That is what I wanted. Now, I just need to make sure that I assign the, like, fish to, the right prefab, which might take a little bit longer. Because I might have to go like, if 1 through 5, if 5 through 10, and then say like this fish, then this fish, you know what I mean? I don't really know. I think that's what I want to do, but I'm not honestly all that sure. Yeah, I don't know. I might take a break for a little bit. I think I'm gonna go do some things in the real world, and yeah. But I'm not sure if anyone's here, but I appreciate everybody watching and stuff. Yeah. All right. See you guys.